Welcome back subscribers and hello YouTube viewers. On this occasion we're off to the Camberwell railway station and we'll see what information and history we can learn about this station. Camberwell is the railway station which serves the Belgrave, Lilydale and Alamein lines in the eastern Melbourne suburb of Camberwell, Victoria, Australia, and a mere 9.1 kilometres or 5.6 miles east of the state capital Melbourne. It is located on the corner of Burke Road and Cookson Street and connects with the tram route 72 which runs from Camberwell to the University of Melbourne. It serves the eastern Melbourne suburb of Camberwell and it opened on the 3rd of April 1882. The station has 3 platforms. Platform 1, the southernmost, and 2 form an island platform, with platform 3 to the north. The Edwardian-style booking office is located above the island platform, with a footbridge connecting it to platform 3 and the northern exit, and to the southern exit over the adjacent railway yard. A late 1940s signal box is located on the island platform to the east of the main building. Camberwell also has 4 stabling roads, each able to accommodate 1 6-car electric multiple unit. As mentioned, the Camberwell station opened on the 3rd of April 1882 when the railway line was extended from Hawthorn. It remained the terminus of the line for a few months in that year until the railway was extended to Lilydale, when the first section of the Outer Circle line opened in 1891. A new station was built at the East Camberwell to provide an exchange. However, the Outer Circle line quickly failed. By 1898, only the section from East Camberwell to Ashburton remained in operation, later extended to Alamein in 1948, and services for Ashburton began to depart from Camberwell. Immediately east of the station, the Alamein line diverges south, with a flyover carrying the southbound line over the Lilydale and Belgrave lines. This flyover was provided in 1959 when the line was duplicated in Riversdale. In 1963 a third line was provided between Hawthorn and Camberwell, and in 1964 the third line was extended to East Camberwell. Also occurring in November of that year, the signal box at Camberwell was the first in Victoria to have push button signalling installed. In 1972, the centre track was extended to East Camberwell, and in 1974, the platforms were renumbered in their current arrangement. On the 27th of April 1996, Camberwell was upgraded to a premium station. In 1997, 4 stabling sidings were built on the site of the former goods yards to replace sidings that were removed at Jolimont Yard, with the sidings brought into service on the 5th of January 1998. Now, without further ado, let's check out the sights and sounds of Camberwell Railway Station, and all credits and references will be in the description below. So here we are nearing the end of this video presentation, and I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, by all means click on that like button or that thumbs up icon, and please consider subscribing. Subscribing really doesn't cost you 1 cent, but it helps out the channel immensely. But most importantly, stay safe, commute safe, and have a great day.